Guys, today I'm so happy because we want to do a review about this amazing smartwatch. So let's do a great review about this amazing product. Guys, this is a smartwatch. Let's do like the unboxing. The presentation is pretty good. Okay, basically, this is the box. This is like the instructions, and this is the smartwatch. See, it looks pretty cool. And this is the cable for charge the Apple Watch. Guys, to charge the smartwatch, you just need this charger. It's included, and it's magnetic, so like this, it's gonna be charging. Like it click, it will be like this. You can customize the smartwatch. You just have to go here to the watch faces and go here, custom dial. There's one, but right here, there's more. You're gonna have more options. So right now we have this one. So if you want, let's see. Yeah, this one looks good. Synchronous deal. It's downloading. Now we have it here. It is so easy and so easy to customize. So here's the smartwatch. And one amazing option that gives you the smartwatch is that you can use it while you are swimming. So let's try it. You just have to go here. Try. See? Still working. Perfect.